بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my sweet and intelligent and cute students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. सब खुश होंगे, सब घर में बैठ के I know that you are just going to follow our lessons and हमारी online videos से आप फ़ायदा उठा रहे होंगे. अपने पेरेंट्स को बिल्कुल तंग नहीं कर रहे होंगे, उनके साथ मिलकर आप ये वीडियोस देखेंगे और इससे फ़ायदा उठाएंगे. Okay students, I know you are all very intelligent and thank you parents. First of all, thanks to you that you are just going to cooperate with us and हमारे साथ मिलके अपने बच्चों को हम भी पढ़ा रहे हैं, आप भी पढ़ा रहे हैं और मिलकर एक टास्क हमने शुरू किया है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का, जिसमें हम चाहते हैं कि उनका टाइम ज़ाया ना हो एंड हमें इसको साथ लेकर उनके साथ चलना है and we are all very thankful to you. Okay parents, thank you so much. Okay students, now come to your lesson. This is your English book, as you know, and now open your page number 11. Okay, my lovely students, this is your page number 11. Okay, and look at how beautiful the page is. There is a lot of pictures here as you see on the page. Okay, and today the topic is my and your. Okay, so we are just going to discuss about my and yours, and I have to clear the concept of my and your. Okay, my means mera, your means aapka. Okay, mera, my, and your means aapka. Okay students, now we have to read this first one. Look at this. This is the first picture and two men. I see two men in the picture and they are discussing something. What are they talking about? They are talking about, let's see here. This is my hat. Okay, they are discussing about the hat. Did you see any hat in the picture? Yes, there is one hat. Look at here in the arm. ये आदमी के हाथ में एक hat हमें नजर आ रही है. And where is the another hat? Another hat is here with the cow. Look at here. I think I see this. This is a hat. Yes. So they are discussing about the hat. This man is discussing that he's telling the other man that this is my hat. ये जो इसके हाथ में hat है तो वो कह रहा है कि this is my hat. ये मेरी hat है. टोपी, hat. Yes, क्या कह रहा है? This is my hat. And ये उसे बता रहा है कि that is your hat. That is your hat. क्या कह रहा है? This is my hat. ये मेरी hat है. That is your hat. This one is your. ये आपकी है. ठीक है? ये किस चीज़ के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? They are discussing about a hat. और ये जो है he is telling the man that this is my hat. देखें इसके हाथ में एक hat है, so he is just telling to him that this is my hat. ये मेरी hat है and that is your hat. और वो वाली जो hat है वो आपकी है. ठीक है? Now in the next picture, look at here, there are two cars here and two men are standing and ये एक आदमी जो है उससे उस तरफ इशारा कर रहा है. He point out here, there, that. क्या कह रहा है? What is the first one? Man talking. He said that this is my car. What is it? He said that this is my car. This is my car. ये the red one car. He said that this is my car. ये मेरी गाड़ी है. ठीक है? He said to the other man that this is my car. The red one car is mine. Okay? And that is your car. This one car, the blue one, that is your car. He said to him that the red one is my car and that blue one is your car. ये वाली गाड़ी जो है ये मेरी है और वो वाली गाड़ी जो है वो आपकी है. ठीक है? He is talking about this. My, मेरा, your, आपका. यानी ये चीज मेरी है और वो वाली आपकी है. Okay, now look at the third picture. Look at the dangerous snake here. Oh my God. Okay, this is my egg. The snake told to his friend that this is my egg. Okay? And that is your egg. ये अंडा जो है ये मेरा है और वो वाला अंडा जो है वो आपका है. This is my egg. That is your egg. This is my egg. That is your egg. This is my egg. That is your egg. Okay? My means mera. That means your means आपका. My, mera, your, आपका. Again we have to read this. This is my hat. Come on, follow me. Read it with me, students. My dear, nice students. Come on, read it with me. That is your hat. Very good. Again, this is my hat. That is your hat. Okay? This is my car. That is your car. This is my egg. That is your egg. Yes, my. Okay, we have to just read the my lines. This is my hat. This is my car. This is my egg. ये मेरी hat है. ये मेरी टोपी है. ये मेरी कार है. और ये मेरा अंडा है. ठीक है? Now come to here your. That is your hat. That is your car. That is your egg. Okay? ये आपकी hat है, आपकी टोपी है, ये आपका कार है और ये आपका egg है, अंडा है. ठीक है? So we have to, in this lesson, we read about my and your. मेरा और आपका. मेरा और आपका. ठीक है? I hope you understand that मेरा, my and आपका, yours. Okay, students, my sweet students, look at here. There are some things I put here. So I have to explain with you. Look at here. What are these two markers? Okay, so this is my marker. That is your marker. This is my marker. That is your marker. ये marker जो है ये मेरा है and that is ये वाला जो है ये आपका है. Okay, this is my marker. That is your marker. Now look at here the clips. This is my clip. That is your clip. This is my clip. That is your clip. Okay, now students, come on, tell me about it. What did I say here? हाँ, ये किसकी बॉल है? मेरी. This is my ball. Yes, very good. Clap for yourself. I know you knew it. Okay, come on. This is my ball. That is your ball. This is my ball. That is your ball. Very good. Now come on. Now read it again and you will read it. Okay? This is my marker. That is your marker. This is my clip. That is your clip. This is my ball. That is your ball. This is my ball. That is your ball. Very good, students. I hope you enjoy it and you learn it and you have that. I hope the concept is clear to you about my and your. ठीक है? And I hope that you all just have to वीडियोस देखेंगे. आप जो है वीडियोस को इनसे कुछ सीखेंगे. हम इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, हमारा पूरा स्टाफ इतनी मेहनत कर रहा है आपके लिए, क्योंकि आप हमें बहुत प्यारे हैं. You are our favorite one and you are our lovely students. So that's why हम आपके लिए इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. So हमें पता है आप हमें भी इस तरह फॉलो करेंगे. और पेरेंट्स, the all cooperation, we need all cooperation for you. So please अपने बच्चों को ये वीडियोस ज़रूर ऑनलाइन वीडियोस दिखाएं ताकि वो इनसे कुछ सीख सके. हमें उनका टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना. और हम उनके लिए हमारा पूरा स्टाफ, हमारे स्कूल वाले, ओरिएंटल पब्लिक स्कूल, दे आर सो गुड. एंड ये जो है ये हम आपके लिए, हमारा पूरा स्कूल हम आपके लिए इतना एफर्ट्स कर रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. हमें बच्चों की जो आने वाली उनकी ज़िंदगी है, उनके एजुकेशन फ्यूचर है, वो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा है. इसलिए हम चाहते हैं कि उनका जो ये गोल्डन टाइम है ये ज़ाया ना हो. सून एंड लेटर हमें पता है अब हमें ज्वाइन करेंगे इंशाल्लाह, और भी मज़ा आएगा, और भी हम स्टडी करेंगे, अच्छे तरीके से करेंगे. ओके बच्चों, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो योर होमवर्क टास्क. आपको जो है प्रैक्टिस करनी है विद योर सिबलिंग्स. आपके घर में बहन भाई जो हैं वो या अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ भी कर सकते हैं. You have to take 2 pencils, 2 markers, 2 balls, anything you like. जो भी चीज़ आपको अट्रैक्ट करती है वो आप ले लें. And one give to your sibling, your brother or sister, and one is with you. And उनके साथ प्रैक्टिस करें कि this is my pencil and that is your pencil. This is my pencil and that is your pencil. Okay? And then she or he also will repeat it. And इस तरह आपको my and yours, the concept बहुत ज़्यादा clear and जल्दी, मुझे पता है आपको समझ में आ गया है. I know आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है इतना समझाने की, क्योंकि आप जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट हैं और आप अपनी वीडियोस बहुत गौर से देखते हैं जो आपको टीचर समझा रही हैं. ओके, अगेन हम पढ़ते हैं. दिस इज़ माई मार्कर, दैट इज़ योर मार्कर. दिस इज़ माई क्लिप, दैट इज़ योर क्लिप. दिस इज़ my ball, that is your ball. So इसी तरह you have to practice it with your sisters, your brothers, your parents, anyone you like the most, or you have to जिसके साथ आपको मज़ा आए. Okay? So thank you students, thank you very much. आप अपना वीडियोस देख रहे हैं, हमें फीडबैक. If you have any problem, if you have any kind of problem, you have to WhatsApp us in our WhatsApp group. हम आपको आंसर भी देंगे 24 hours we are available for you anytime you want. Okay, thank you parents, thank you children, take care of yourselves, stay in homes, save lives. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.